Gran is cross. Written by Julia Donaldson. Let's explore it together. The twins go to visit Gran. Fleck brings a prom. Fred brings his frog. Gran is on the steps. Hello, Gran. Gran has a black cat. Hello, Spot. Gran gets the twins a snack. Gran gets the twins a snack. Fleck spills her drink on the cloth. Gran is cross. Fred drops his sandwich in the prom. Gran is cross. But Spot the cat is glad. The frog jumps in the jam. Fred grabs him. Smash! Gran is cross. The frog jumps and jumps. Spot runs and runs. The frog jumps on the clock. Gran is cross. Stop! At the end of the day, the twins go home. Gran is gold. The twins are glad. But Spot is sad. Like, share and subscribe to Arcel Academy and not forget to hit the bell icon for more educational content.